Cloudfather here. That's the new tip for putting inserts in. Those are the rest of them in case I decide to do some more, which I probably will. And we are starting to do our build for the new roller enclosure. So this is the first set of rollers, and this is nice because it doesn't back up. It only turns one direction. So there's a little lever in here. The filament comes in through the bottom, actually through here. And this keeps the spools from making messes like this. This has been a big problem, and I'm hopeful that this will take care of that. These are all the rest of the parts that I've got. I've got 3 more of these to build. Once that's done, then these are the new pieces for the top and bottom and sides of the enclosure that's going to sit up on top of the unit. And so when that's all done, we will have basically an enclosure like this and 5 of these roller assemblies for managing the spools. I'm going to also experiment later on with building a 2 kilogram one, but this will do fine. I've also got a larger cable for the MMU so we can move it back a little farther. Actually, it's going to mount up here upside down. So that's what we got for today. Cloudfather out.